Now, how to instantly fix Gemini Nano Banana aspect ratio problem when creating an image. This is hard to do in Gemini, but here I will show you how to do it perfectly. Now, the first one is for creating an image. When creating an image, here is how to do it, because Gemini AI 2 didn't understand aspect ratio or dimension ratio of an image. Here is how to teach it, or here is how to show it in order to get the aspect ratio you want, in order to fix the aspect ratio issue. Now here, first create a blank image using the aspect ratio you want to use in the Gemini. First, after creating a blank image, now here is how to use the blank image to give the Gemini the dimension or the aspect ratio you want. Here like this. First, upload the blank image aspect ratio which you want to use first. Here like this. Now here, write the prompt like this. You can see here, create a picture of a man holding a banana with a sweet face. You can see where I define how it will get the image for me. Also, after typing your prompt, now here is where you get trickish. Now here you can see, use the reference for the final aspect ratio. You can see it here. Now here you have defined the aspect ratio for the Gemini AI to generate it perfectly. Now here, send it like this, and then wait for it. As you can see, it is generating it. As you can see, it used the reference aspect ratio, which is the blank image which we reference it. You see it here. Now the second one, for editing, let's directly change the aspect ratio like this. Click here and then click on upload file like this. Now go to where you save the image you want to change the aspect ratio like this. Here I will click on it. Now here, add this prompt like this. Now here, let me explain the prompt. Use the second picture as a reference for the final aspect ratio and fill the areas that wasn't shown in the original picture. Now here, let's upload the blank picture, which I will show you the picture of all aspect ratio which you can search for on your search engine and get the blank images. Now here, upload the blank image like this, which is the image we are going to use as the aspect ratio like this. Now here, send it like this. Now as you can see, it have changed the aspect ratio for editing. You see it here. All the prompts I used to fix the image is in the description section, so check it and then use it. So that's how to instantly fix Gemini Nano Banana aspect ratio problem when creating an image. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.